Hello all, Shoestring here. Today is kind of an unusual video because I am going to talk to you about this Junbpaw inverters. And not just this one. Some of you have been watching my channel before know I've done several in-depth reviews of these inverters. And I think they're great. They're pure sine wave. And I like the 80 at the end because it means you're going to get a little extra power than if you just bought a 3,000 or 2,000 or 1,000. And the reason I'm going to talk about them as a group is because I found out from the Junbpaw that they are going to be running a Prime Day promotion. Now, as most of you know, Prime Day is June 23rd through the 26th, and they're going to be having some really, really good deals on different types of inverters, and they're going to be really inexpensive. I don't know the prices of all of them, but I do know, for instance, that the 1080 model, that's the LEG 1080 Ti, is normally around $179, $180, which is a really good price point for what you get. But for the Prime, it's going to be around $109. And there are also going to be other deals on this one, on the 2000, and other types of inverters and equipment they have. You could look at the reviews I did. I'm going to drop them in the description, so you'll be able to look at them yourself and see if this is the correct inverter for you. It's made really, really well, okay? It has great plugins that are grounded. Here, you can take these connections, and all these inverters have these, where you can directly wire it to your home, right? Goes right in there, wiring from wherever box you're using right into there. These little plastic footies help it from moving. You get the hardware to install it. This is actually a great inverter. I know, I told you I wasn't going to do a review of it, and here we go talking about it, because they're a really, really good product. I've recommended these before, and I'll even more so recommend them now because the price is very good. And as you know, the name Shoestring, we're interested in inexpensive but really, really good products. And these are extremely good when it comes to safety. You know, it has, for instance, a pre-charging function so you don't get spark. It has a 3-proof coating on the circuit board that's going to protect it from moisture, molding, different things like that. So you can use this in your harsh environments if that's where it's going to be, okay? It also has other things I like. Internally, it has a copper bus bar, which is really good when you're talking about internal heat, and it doesn't have loose cables in there. You don't have the risk of the cables becoming loose. It has a redundant capacitor that makes safer. It has a new generation PQ50 transformer. Now, am I an electrician or a transformer expert? Absolutely not. But I looked it up, and that's supposed to be one of the safest and one of the best out there. And of course, like I said in some of my reviews, it has built-in temperature sensors for real-time thermal monitoring. All these designs, all the inverters they have are built around safety first. And that's one of the reasons I like these so much. And now they're going to do a really, really good discount prices. As you can see, a lot of inverters have these blocks that are really close together. And that's hard to do when you're doing larger wires for this type of capacity. These are over here. They have these safety covers, which is really, really good. 2 fans, right? And everything you would expect in a high-tech, very expensive inverter, except it's not. All right? So, Prime is coming up. Company told me Prime was coming up and asked me if I'd mention it. Sure. I like their inverters. I'll be more than happy to mention it to you. Not just for them, but for you as well. I want my audience to know, people watching this, when good deals are coming up on very good pieces of equipment. So, take a look at it. Prime comes up and see if this is right for you. As always, if you like this kind of information, if you like these updates, if you just like videos like this, please like, subscribe, share it if you know anyone that would like this information. And don't forget, I'm going to be putting the videos I've done already on these Junbpaw inverters down in the description. Shoestring out.